Okay, you guys, I'm at Ross. That's where I'm at my Ross. I went a couple of towns, probably like 15 minutes over from my house. And I have a Ross haul. I'm going to do a review of these. I love pickle, I love pretzels. Never seen a combination. It says that these pretzel sticks, they're seasoned in small batches, made with flavor so bold, it's lip-smacking, finger-licking goodness and crunch. It's made in Michigan. They cost me about $2.89. The vendor is Pop Daddy, made with a big heart. These are the nutritional facts. About 140 calories every 8 servings. These are the things that are in it. My daughter said, Mom, pay attention to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, so let's try it. This is what it looks like. Oh, oh my goodness. This is real good, y'all. I'm not kidding. If you like pretzels, if you like pickle, dill, get you some. I should have got all the bags. There was probably like 10 bags in there. This is really good. Available at Ross. Another great Ross find. This is good, y'all. The taste is savoring. Oh my God. You better get to Ross.